watching Tacoma Working Mom TV. I'm Rosie, your host and blogger at tacomaworkingmom.com. This week, I've got Lisa Patterson, editor-in-chief at South Sound Magazine, the magazine for our city and the greater Tacoma area. Lisa has a message for us. Watch this.
Hi Tacoma Working Mom fans, it's Lisa Patterson with South Sound Magazine, and I'm reminding you to vote this weekend for the best of South Sound. Vote for your favorite people, places, and things, and you can win a trip to the Alderbrook Resort. Vote at southsoundmag.com. Thanks, bye.
Thank you so much, Lisa. Go to southsoundmag.com and vote today.